I want to show you how you can write content that are high quality and that rank high on Google. In case you are seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about freelance writing and how you can monetize your freelance writing career. So if you write, or you want to start writing, or well, if you just want to, then you want to connect to me. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new content, which is often. All right, so let's get into the video. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing a tip that can help you improve your SEO for your articles and blogs, and then I'll give you a free SEO tool that you can use in unison to get the best results. Tip number 1: increase the speed and usability of your website. All right, so a lot of people have great content, but then on a slow website, that content is as good as nothing. All right, so people these days have a very short attention span. You are going to have to give them fast connections. You're going to have to give them websites that are fast, that move as they move, and also you're going to give them a website with great usability. The free SEO tool that you can use to do this is called Google Page Insights, and this is the website. It is free. All right, all you need to do is go on there and then insert the article that you've just written, and then they're going to run a scan on this article, and then they're going to give you some corrections you can make, tell you what you need to change, what you need to put in place to be able to improve your usability and speed scores. The second tip I'm going to give is do your keyword research properly. Now, keywords are very important. By now you should know the importance of a keyword on a page. All right, you don't want to skip the keyword research process. It is very important. The free SEO tool I'm going to be using for this is called Rank Tracker. Rank Tracker shows variations of keywords and shows the traffic potential of a particular keyword. All right, so when you insert a keyword, Rank Tracker is going to do all the processing and checks and give you information about this keyword, the history, how much it's being used, its difficulty, and all the information and metrics that you need to make the right decision about this keyword. The third tip I'm going to give is edit the content. Right, so a lot of people write and then they make the mistake of leaving out the editing, or they don't put as much effort into editing as you do into writing. This is an error. If you've written a piece and people cannot read it comfortably or conveniently, then you are reducing the potential of then you are reducing the quality of this post, and this is going to affect your SEO score. So you want to be sure that your content is well edited, there are no grammatical errors, the content is light and easy, the formatting is done properly, so that people can easily read through your content and it can be truly valuable. So the tool for this, the free SEO tool for this, is Hemingway app. Now Hemingway app has an AI version which is recent. All right, so in case you need help with AI, then you can use that version instead. But generally, Hemingway suggests errors, they give you better words, they tell you when your article is difficult to read, when it's easy to read. Basically, you should be targeting a grade score of 6 on Hemingway because it's a score rate of 1 to 10. So your article should be at least at a 6 to make sure that it's doing well. Oh, take note, the lower your article score, the higher your article readability. All right, the lower the score, your readability score, the higher the chances of people reading your article. All right, so you should aim for anywhere between 1 to 6. Another tip I'm going to give is get rid of plagiarism. Guys, it's not funny. Nobody takes plagiarism lightly these days. Okay, if you are putting out plagiarized content, just know that you are putting your website as a whole at the risk of getting penalized, and this penalty might sometimes include removing your website totally or banning your website from the internet. All right, so you want to be sure that you do not put out plagiarized content on the internet. Okay, so this can help with your SEO score, because basically SEO is optimized content for search engines, and what Google wants to make sure of is that they are giving the reader the best possible quality of article. So if your article is second class, if you have plagiarized, it's no longer original, so it's not high quality. So they are not going to give your article to a reader, because they believe that they'll give the original article instead. So plagiarism has several disadvantages and you shouldn't do that. So the tool I'm going to suggest for this is called Duply Checker. although it has a limit for 1,000 words. All right, you can use it for at least 1,000 words, but at least it works. It still works. It's very active. It can be functional. You can just impute the content you've written, and then it's going to run a plagiarism check on it. The next thing you need to do is check for AI. Now, before this time, Google had a no-nonsense policy toward AI generated content. Once your article was generated by AI or had any affiliation with AI, then they are going to rate that website as spammy. All right, but that was before they introduced their own BAD, and then they started being lenient with their policy. Right now, Google doesn't really care where you got your article from. All they care about is that your article follows their EEAT policy. All right, that your article has high quality and that you are not trying to plagiarize anything. All right, so you cannot just carry an AI generated content completely and dump it on your website. It's going to appear as spammy. So you need to check the AI rate of your content to ensure that it is minimal, it is within, it is still humanized. So Google wants you to do the work. They want you, even if you generate your content with AI, you should still be able to put some emotions, go through it, edit it, and ensure that it is sounding more human than robotic. The free SEO tool for this is called Content at Scale. It's completely free, but then it works better with long form content than with short form content. But overall, it's a great tool for checking your AI rates. All right, it will run a check when you input the text you want to check. It will process it, and then it will give you a probability score of AI and human content. After you've done your keyword research, keyword insertion, you've written a very high quality content, and you have edited the content, another thing that you need to do is make sure that you have the right links on this page. Now, linking is very important. Outbound linking, inbound linking, internal linking, external linking, they are very important because they increase your authority, the authority level of your site. All right, so you can link to other websites, other pages on your website, and you can also link to external sources. All right, and you can also receive links from people. You can also get your page linked to. All right, so all I'm saying is that linking is a very important strategy for optimizing your content. So SEO is one of the SEO checklists. All right, the links, the number of links you have, the number of high quality authoritative links that you have on your website and that are also linked back to you. Okay, so the free SEO tool you can use is called Backlink Checker. It gives you insights about domain ratings of the links that you have used, their rank level. They basically tell you whether or not you should be using these links. You've done all this and your content is almost ready to get published, but then there's still one thing remaining: view time analysis. Being able to check your content in real time is a flex. All right, it will give you exactly what you need. To show you how your content will look when it is uploaded, where it will rank. It will give you all the details, and you can make the necessary adjustments just before you proceed to make your post. So checking your post in real time, or checking your article in real time, is a very essential tool because you can then have a chance to increase or improve your SEO ranking. The tool for this is called Use Real-Time Content Analysis. It's also a free tool. All right, and then once you use this tool, you'll be able to see a lot of insights about your article. It will show you the current performance of your article, how it's going to perform when you upload it, and it will also give you some SEO advice that you can take to improve the ranking of your content. All right, so guys, if you've watched till this part, then I'm sure you've learned something new. You now know what you can do to improve your SEO rates on your articles and blogs and on your website in general. All right, so if you have questions, I will always be in the comment section for you. If you've watched till this point, then I hope you are subscribed, but if you're not, then please subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to see videos like this. All right, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.